I want to share a workflow, vaping production video. Douyin, simple and easy. This effect is like this. This effect, I copied the simple and easy template inside the effect. I often see this kind of effect before I stop for a long time, and then I think it's pretty good, pretty cool. I want to go back to the Comfyui. I didn't have much ideas before, and today I have time to think about it, and then go step by step to realize it. Then use some of the Comfyui nodes. I didn't think I could do it at first, and then finally let me realize it. I realized this effect. Then this node, these workflows look very complicated. In fact, they are all simple nodes in the Comfyui to make a combination. One of the key nodes is a node in the Comfyui to create and replicate an image, and a node to copy an image. The image is processed by these nodes, combined with others, and forms a sequence. Then a whole video is formed, and then a slide effect here is a video made here. Then how did I get this? This is made in G. Through this door, there is also a light arrow and a curve variable, and then a video is made. Then the rest of the black background, the production map, and the shadow layer, and then the whole budget will get this overall effect. These two shadows are the shadow side, and then it will make this video look more layered. If you are interested in this workflow, you can go to the video link below and open the workflow link. Then you will come to a live platform workflow of running hard, a interface of my workflow, and then click in. Then click here to experience my workflow. That's all for today's sharing. Thank you for watching.